Hello and welcome. My name is Aghaizu, Herman Chijioke, and I am a lead instructor and tech advocate. In today's class, we're going to be having a practical data-driven session designed to teach you how to use Facebook's built-in A/B testing tool to find out your best performing ad creative. So basically, we're going to be asking ourselves, which ad wins? In this Facebook A/B testing masterclass, you will learn what Facebook A and B testing is. You also find out why data beats assumptions, how to compare creatives fairly, and how to identify the winning ad. So let's start. First of all, what is A and B testing? A and B testing is the science of comparing two variables to find out the winner. A/B testing, or what you may know as split testing, is a method where you run two versions of an ad simultaneously, only changing one variable to see which performs better based on real data and not guesswork. So basically what we're saying, you're going to have the first version of your ad, then you're going to have another version, which we normally refer to as the challenger or the B version of the ad, where you just change one variable. You're going to upload it to Facebook A and B testing tool and let Facebook do the rest. Before we continue, I want us to also know that Facebook algorithm optimizes delivery, but it can't tell you which creative really resonates. A and B testing reveals what your audience actually responds to, so you can stop wasting budget or stop doing guesswork. In today's test, we are going to be testing basically these two ad creatives. These are ad creatives basically of the image type that is supposed to be used for health education, inviting young adults to actually get or imbibe good health and quality health education. So in the first image, or in the version A, it gives you the stats first, tells you, gives you social proof. That's basically what this first version does. You see the social proof first before you see the main information in the ad. But in version B, we decided to present the social proof after the information has been given. So basically, these are the variables we changed. First one, we put the social proof first. The second one, we put the social proof later. So we're going to be uploading these two images to find out which one will win in this A and B testing scenario. So basically, we run A and B testing using the Facebook Ads Manager. And in a short while, I'm going to tell you how to go about that. You're going to open your Ads Manager. You're going to choose your objective. Is it for awareness? Is it for traffic? Is it for sales? You're going to set up ad sets. Then you're going to upload the two creatives. Define your success metric. Then finally launch and monitor the results. So let's dive in. First of all, you have to go to Facebook. I have my Facebook account already open here. Then locate the professional dashboard. So already I'm here, the professional dashboard. Click on all tools. Look at this place, click on all tools. Then on the right hand side, scroll down and locate the Meta Business Suite. As soon as you click on the Meta Business Suite, the Meta Business Suite will open up. You can see so many tools on your left. You are going to click on just one. Click on the content. Then you click on content. It opens up a different page where you can see post, reels, stories. Then you see the tool called the A and B test. So Let's click on A and B tests. So the A and B test opens up. So this is a tool that we're going to be using to test those two images we talked about in the slides. So we click on Create A and B tests. In the window that opens, you're going to see the version A. Here you either upload a real image, link, or text. See the version B, where you also upload either a real image, link, or text. So let's upload our version A, which is the control or the image we talked about earlier in the slide. So we click on image, then we add the photo. I'll go ahead and add it. So we've added the first image. So go ahead and add the second image, which is the version B of the first image. So the two images have been added. As soon as the two images have been added, you click next. In the next page, you're going to be selecting publish now. Okay, the name of the test, you can say, is the health education image test. Health education image test. You can give a description. You can give a description, but it's optional. Basically, why you need to give a test name, so because you are going to be carrying out several tests. So you may want to know, or you may want to find out more about those tests. So you need to be able to identify each text with a name. So you come down here and select the key metric. What are the basic metrics or performance parameters you are going to be using to judge this text? So let's say we can say we'll use reactions, or people reached. Okay, so let's decide to use, for instance, reactions. Okay, now the test duration. Every test should have a duration. So for us here, we're going to be testing for, say, 2 hours. In 2 hours time, we should be able to know everything or the results concerning this particular test we're carrying out. Then when you are done and satisfied with the selections you've made on this page, you click on preview, and you see everything that you have selected in the previous page. Then you can now click on publish. You can see that Facebook is now telling us that our A and B test has been created. So basically, this is how to run an A and B test. So thank you very much. I remain Aghaizu, Herman, Chijioke. See you in the next class. Until then, like, comment, share, subscribe for more of this type of content. Thank you.